Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and made this gift basket. I've been telling y'all about this and I just wanted to kind of show you. I got this at the dollar store and then these things from the dollar store, Ross and Burlington. And I just kind of crammed everything into this bucket. So everything is in there. I've got the blanket there. I've got bottles right here. I've got washcloths, 3 little outfits, a bib, some Nike socks, a toothbrush that I found at the dollar store, travel wipe case, some stuff to make the room smell good, some baby wash. These are wipes for the gums, wipes for the toys. I got wipes for the tush in there. I got all kinds of stuff in here, so I did want to share this with you. So basically I plan on just wrapping it with this, and I also got this from the dollar store, and then maybe hanging this from the top. So I'm gonna finish it up and then show you what it looks like when it's done. But this is just an idea that I wanted to show y'all. Sorry, my hands are so shaky. Just an idea that I wanted to show y'all. If you have a baby shower coming up and you don't have much money, you can just go to the dollar store, go to Ross, Burlington, buy a bunch of little cheap things, throw it in a basket, wrap it up, and it will be so cute. So let me finish and then I will show you when I'm done. Okay, so there it is inside the basket, inside of the bag. You want to make sure that you put your basket in the middle of the bag. That way when you pull it tight, it's even and it looks really cute. Hold on one second. Let me finish up and I'll show you. So here is after I tied it up. Unfortunately, this little thing right here is weighing this down. So I got to figure out how to fix that. But I'm going to tape these sides. And then after I tape the sides, I will show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this on camera. But basically, I'm going to take the corner right here and I'm going to pull it real tight to the back of the basket and I'm going to tape it. That way, it looks just more professional. Okay, so here it is finished. So I did tape the sides back like I showed y'all. I will spin it around just so you can see. So it's just pulled tight and taped. And I took this out because it was weighing it down, and I want it to sit more up like that. And then I just put a little ribbon. I didn't tie it fully yet because I might put a gift card in there. I'm not really sure, but that is the finished basket. Just a bunch of little things thrown in there. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. So if you need any baby shower gift ideas, you can try something like this.